And today in this video, I'm going to tell you top 5 job platforms which you must know. You might be a fresher or a senior professional who want to switch your job, then these 5 platforms are a must know. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. I'll quickly share my screen and show you those platforms and how you can navigate around it and how you can make the best possible use of it. And without any delay, let's get into the video. The first platform which I want to tell you guys is Internshala. Not just for internships, it has jobs available as well. I personally like this platform a lot because I found 3 internships here. Whatever the internships I did, I found all of them from Internshala, and the first job which I got is also from Internshala. So yeah, see, you can see the course is also available here, but yeah, we'll stick to the jobs. You can choose years of experience here. Say for example you're a fresher. See, you can see the jobs available here, 0 to 1 year experience. Here's how you can apply. You just have to click on it, read the job description very well, create your resume according to it, just click on continue. You can choose your availability here. If you're ready to join immediately, then click on this, or maybe from the other 2 options you can choose. You can upload the custom resume from here, and yeah, so yeah, you can just submit. That's how simple it is. So this is about the platform Internshala. Second platform I have for you guys is Nocom. Initially it asks you to log in with your email. You can find the jobs recommended here for you. Now let's see jobs of the top company. Byju's has 3 job openings. Is business development associate, business development executive. Let's see this. Yeah. The third platform which I have for you guys is Wellfound Jobs. So currently I'm working in startup, and that job I found it from this platform. If you want to do work from home or remote jobs, then you can just turn this option on, and yeah, view results. Oh wow, great, 0 startups available. I'll remove this, Pune. Still no startups, great. You can see the startups here hiring now. Just play with the filters. Sometimes what happens is, even if you add all the filters properly, then the jobs, you might see 0 results because not every company will satisfy our needs. Yeah, you can see the job details here, and then now what interests you about working for this company. You can type something here or simply send the application. Send. That's how easy it is to apply. The fourth platform is Indeed. And also, if you want to get quick replies from the employers, then try searching here. Date posted last 24 hours. And you can see the jobs available. This is posted today. This is posted today. Posted 1 day ago. Just posted. If you want to do a work from home job, then choose the remote location, then find jobs. See, all these jobs are available, they are remote. Click on apply now. Okay, you need to log in. Okay, if I start filling this, it will take a lot of time, so I'll just completely skip it. That's how you have to apply from Indeed. Okay, so that's it about this job platform. You can explore all the features here. So the last job platform is, we all know, LinkedIn. So yeah, this is my LinkedIn account. I'll show you my profile as well. So this is something about myself, and if you want to follow me on LinkedIn, you can see my profile here. You can follow me on LinkedIn as well. Now let's search for jobs. Yes, and then 2 years review. Click on submit application and your application gets submitted. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and sorry for my throat cause I am suffering from cough and cold in peak summers. I don't know why. Want to know about my corporate journey, about how I found my first job, then I have few videos available. I will link it somewhere here, and don't forget to watch those as well. And yeah, subscribe and like to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.